Hey everybody, Rorree here with the Goddess Isis Coven. So I am continuing with whatever part this is. All right, so I'm Isis. I'm the incarnation of Isis in this lifetime, and I am sharing my very human experiences on this journey to learning who I am. So the last part that I discussed, I was in the car with my mother and my daughter going to Sights and Sounds to see a play and discovering that even as a child, I was a medium. I was able to interact with spirit as a child, and I didn't know it. I thought I was actually visiting my great-grandmother, and I wasn't. I was visiting her spirit. And so I was tripping after that because I was like, wow, how long have I had these gifts? And so I remember I was a part of an African tradition, and in my first reading with my Tata or my Baba, he said, in my reading, he told me that my great-grandmother came in with me. So when I was born, she came in with me as one of my guides. And I was like, I know, I knew that part. And then he also told me that 2 other female Orisha came in with me as my guides. And these 2 Orisha, he was explaining that they didn't usually come together. They didn't usually be together. And so that was interesting. And then there was another Orisha who was my primary Orisha and another Orisha who was my secondary Orisha. And he found that those 2 that came in with me, he found that very interesting. And then I remember another time, me and my god sisters were sitting on the mat. We were eating, and I remember my madrina, she said, this one here, like she was channeling, and she goes, this one here, ooh, you better watch her. She's going to be something. And I forget what she said, but she was saying that I was going to be something big or something. And I was just like, okay. And that was very interesting as well. And then she stopped communicating in front of everybody about whatever she was going to say. She kind of caught herself and stopped. And by this time, I knew who I was. I knew that I was Isis at this time when I had that particular experience. But I didn't share it with them. And I didn't share with my Baba either, that I knew who I was. But it's interesting that these Orisha came in here with me, so they knew who I was. And there's been a reason for all of this, And what I learned on this journey is that this experience wasn't just about this human experience in this lifetime. It's more about what's about to happen and the experience that we're all going to have very soon as we continue with this ascension process. And that's more about why I'm here. That's more about why Isis has reincarnated as Rorree in this lifetime. It's very on purpose. Many of us who are here right now are here on purpose. There are many deities that have incarnated, many gods who have incarnated or goddesses right now, and it's been on purpose. There are many what they call star seeds. They're all here on purpose, and it's for this ascension. It's for what's coming. It's for what Christians call heaven on earth. It's for this wonderful period that we're walking into. That's what it's for. And it's for what their roles are going to be in the new world, so to speak. So I have been told some of my roles and responsibilities, and I won't share those. I'm not permitted to share, but I have been told. And different things have happened to me. Like, I'm going to share this one experience, but I'm going to share it in the next one, where somebody was trying to, I don't know what the hell they were trying to do to me, but I'm going to tell y'all about it in the next one.